Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Trading Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, but before we get into it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, so real quick, first one, I just want to talk about Virgin Galactic again. SPCE is the ticker symbol. We're on a 10-day, 10-minute chart here. So we came up testing this next support at 59.44. That was over after hours and pre-market this morning. Ended up getting rejected and looked like we were going to start moving in the right direction here. Bounced right off of this support line at 52.17 and then just kind of chopped around for the rest of the day. You know, it's down. It's about 2%. Obviously, you know, I bought puts. I want it to fall down, but I was hoping for a lot more than this. I'll be honest. I really thought we'd breeze right through this first level, and I was curious to see if we could break through this level on the first day as well. But there was a lot of trading volume today, and I saw there's quite a lot of call volume, especially in the short term. So people are bullish on this. I don't know why. I mean, I guess I do know why, but it just doesn't really make sense to me. You know, their product is for the super rich exclusively at this point, and they are still more than a year away from being even able to offer that product to paying customers. So, you know, the shares being worth anything at this point is hard to explain. Around $30, sure, you know, it's exciting. Around $60, it's absurd. It's fantastical. Anyway, hopefully we can continue to see continuation on this pullback. It looks like right now in after hours we're getting a little bit of that, but this one's definitely going to take a little bit more time than I was immediately anticipating, and I'm very happy that I bought puts 4 weeks out as opposed to this week. I would be very nervous. So just going to recap some of the ones that we talked about on Friday. So City Trends, they've pulled back sharply, getting away from this resistance at 86.35. So forget about this one for now. If it's going to move sideways or downwards, that's fine. I'm not going to pick it up until it can confirm above this level here. Palantir, it's the next one that we talked about last video. Had a nice little day following the NASDAQ, very strong on the open, and then just kind of consolidating into this 27.30 level. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a pop after hours, but a decent day, up 2.2%. It hasn't been as volatile as it was, say, the last 6 months over, you know, in 2021. So, but still, steadily strongward. I mean, this is a nice trend. We've broken through. We're getting away from now this downtrend line. So still like Palantir, and I think I bought. I've got 53 days on whatever the calls I bought, and they're 26 calls. So feeling really good about those. They're up. I don't know, 10% or something like that. Gonna hold those for a long time. Let me zoom out real quick just to say, yeah, so the goal for me on this one is to get another test of this 33.50 level. So I'm going to be patient and ride it out right now. You know, I don't really, there's a resistance line somewhere in here around 29 or 30. I'm sure I'll chart it when we get to that territory, but right now I think, you know, we're just moving in the right direction. So that's good to see. What I do want to talk about today is DAC, Danaos. If you've watched my videos at all, I've done 4 or 5 videos on this stock this year. Nobody's ever heard of it. Nobody cares. But the reason I found this stock when I first started charting it, I think back in February, is because they were the #1 rated stock for all quantitative factors on Seeking Alpha. And I believe it was around February 25th when I started talking about them. So they were around $39 there. So we're getting close. Today yesterday over the weekend, after hours Friday, Just about hit 80 today, a little bit of a pullback, but I mean, just look at this chart. Have you ever seen a more beautiful chart? Just, nothing crazy, no vertical lines, just a slow, steady stair step on up. And all right, so if we go back here to February 25th, so you've doubled your money in just over 4 months on this one stock alone. I wish I hadn't played anything else. So I'll say it one more time. Danaos, guys. It's about the best thing that you can own right now. Still following this trend line nice and steady. Maybe not the best time to pick it up because it does come down and poke through the bottom of this channel every once in a while, like here and here and here. So you can pick it up relatively cheap, but I mean, for my money, it doesn't seem to be a whole lot of change going on in the shipping world right now. That's what these guys do. They're international shipping. So I think you can expect continued steady growth for foreseeable future still at this point. I've been saying it for 4 months. Get yourself some Danaos. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to do a little update there, talk about some of the moves over the weekend, especially SPCE, because I know I got a lot of, I don't want to say hate, but I got a lot of disagreement in the comments there. Just people who are bullish on space, and I get it. It is cool. It's a cool company. It sounds exciting. I know one guy said that he thought that they could be the next Tesla stock. And I know it's easy to get excited about technology, but when it comes to investing, you've got to look at the price that you're paying. And right now, they're a year away from even having a product to sell, so the valuation just doesn't make sense to me. Even Tesla took 10, 12 years to get to where it is today. Tesla wasn't just an overnight success. They weren't super highly valued before they even started selling cars. Anyway, Danaos, guys, don't be sitting here watching the next video a month from now saying, I should have got some of that Danaos. Go ahead, put it on your watch list. Maybe wait for the next pullback into the growth channel there. Get you some Danaos in your life. You'll thank yourself for it. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel, and subscribe. It's free, and I really appreciate it if you can do that. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about these stocks. Appreciate all the comments on Friday. I love to get the discussion going, and I know you guys have a lot of passionate opinions about some of these stocks, especially Virgin Galactic. So let me hear it. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Share your thoughts with all of us. It benefits everyone. Thanks, as always, for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.